Assalamu-Alaikum. How are you guys? Okay, today's topic of our WordPress tutorial is we shall create a medical related website. As you can see that this is first page, or it is also we can say that home page. As you can see that this is menu, and or we can say navigation bar, and this is logo point lab. This is site that I created for my client. As you can see that this is the name of point lab, and there are around about 5 pages: home, about us, services, testimonial, contact us, and one button that is make an appointment. If we click on this button, then we go to or redirect to the contact us page and appointment page. Then this is about navigation, and the next one is there is a picture. As you can see that this is a scientist, or we can say that a doctor or researcher. He is researching about the medicine or anything else. And welcome to Point Lab. We ensure that you are always get the best results. They are talking about their results and their machinery and the quality of the machines and their quality of the product. And there are two buttons: make an appointment, just as above we have seen that in the navigation bar, and the next one is learn more. When we click about this on this the button, then we will know more about the site or the owner. We shall redirect on about us page. Then this is the session. Then the next section tells about our lab certification. They are telling about their certifications and affiliations. As you can see that there are different types of medical labs or researches, or country-wise, or government laboratories or labs. It's mean this is authentic source. And the next one is our facilities, our location. They are defining about their lab, like facilities, what they provide, and options, what work of things. When we click on the button or link, then we discover all of their facilities, like all the facilities that they provide. So the next one is our location. They are just telling about our location, where they exist and where there is lab. Then the next thing is our main services. They are the whole around about conception is that they are telling about the whole sources and web pages, what they want. And the next one is start now. When we start now, then we shall redirect on the contact us page or an appointment page. Basically, an appointment page is also a contact us page. Then they are defining their latest research technologies and company. They are defining here all about companies and CEOs or any more higher level persons. And next one is they are telling us about the ratings in the countrywide. So next one is our experiences or expertise. Our expertise, they are just defining what they are doing. Pharmaceutical research is ministry assistance, for financial assistance as testing. Then there are different types of researches they are offering in the lab, and basically they are defining their products, what they are doing. And next one is why people trust on us. They are doing high quality lab, unmatched expertise, precise results, qualified staff, and many more things that they are telling about the lab. Then the next one is latest case studies. As you know that this is site in the COVID-19. So then due to this reason, it is all about voices and diseases and many more other things. And this is testimonial session. As you can see here, what about say people about us. So there are different of comments, people what are saying about them and many more. As you can see that Nancy Dancer, Lamb Rose, Maria F and many more. There are there are persons that have used their services. Now talk about Point Lab expert team. This lab exists around about three major persons that are taking care of the lab, but many other technicians and many more persons exist in the lab, but main persons are there. So the next point is make an appointment, that is the same as we have seen above two times. One time in the navigation bar and the next one is the main session, and the last thing but not least of this page, that is, as you can see that this is footer, one point section and one section, basically two sections making a one footer. This is newscast last when someone enter there his one or has one email address, then the subscription will apply from this button. This is the address and the phone number and email, etc, etc, and many more things. We can add many more other things, whatever we want. Then these are the valuable links. We can click on them and can reach about a specific point, but it's on our destination and point and opinion. The last but not least, that is footer and copyright, powered by diagnostic lab. So this is our home page. The next one is about us. As you can see that about us explains about the site, the persons that are working in the library, laboratory, and as you can see that latest researches, what are they doing, what are they working in the lab, who are they, and why you choose the basic and main point, why people should choose them, because there are the guarantees that they are giving, and there are the licenses or accreditation or certification that they achieved from different departments of the country, from the government. So this means that they are authentic sources and everything is fine. It seems like that. Our expert team, as we considered, this section has already seen by us. Then also one, and also one. Then the next page is services, the basic and main point. As you can see that the services, what they are serving to the people. So all the categories they are working in the lab, they are showing on this page. Our expertise and many more things, as you can see that hematology and histology, let's test case studies about corona, COVID-19 and many more other things. We can add many more services as we want according to our demands. The main thing is testimonial. Then if we check the testimonial, then you can see that testimonial is here. People are giving reviews to this site and agency or laboratory, as you can see that. Then the last but not least, the contact us page. As you can see, that is very much important, very much important page of the site. When the people want to contact us, then the form, first name, last name, email, subject and message, and send. When the person send us or send message button, when they click on this button, then the whole content that they write in these text fields, then we can access the whole text and the owner of the site can access this text. So this is a basic site. As you can see that today's session is closed. Best of luck. Thank you.